Hello everyone, welcome back to for a video lecture on OpenCV. This is the fourth video you are watching. In the previous video lecture, you have seen how to display an image in a window. In this particular video lecture, I will tell you how to work with the cameras or how to load an image from a video file. I have written a program already, and what I will do is I will just start to explain it to you. So in OpenCV, to capture video from camera or video file, what we have is a video capture class. Let us see what this class has in our documentation. Let me go to documentation. It is available in HiGUI, and here it is reading and writing images and videos. So if you go to video capture section, this class tell you how to capture the video from files or cameras. Here there is an example program, you can just go through it. Let us see what are the functions available under this particular video capture. So video capture, so this is for this is a constructor of creating a variable of video capture type. You can give a file name. If you want to capture a frames from file, you can give a file name, or else if you want to capture from the device, you can give just a device name which is an integer. It could be a 0, 1, 2, something like that. It depends on number of cameras you are mounted on to your system or to your device. Next is video capture open, which opens an video capture device. Next is opened, which returns an bool to check whether the camera or the capturing device is open or not. Next is release, to release the capturing device, and to grab, to check whether the frames are available or not. If the frames are available, then using retrieve, you can retrieve the frame. Instead of retrieve, you can go for even the read function, which does the same job of retrieve. Next is to get. Using this get, you can get certain properties of the video capture. The properties are msec, which is nothing but a milliseconds, and frames, number of frames available, AVI ratio, frame width, frame height, frame count, format, mode, brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, gain. Many attributes are there for the video capture, and using set, you can set particular attributes of a capturing device. The same properties are also available for the set function. So once we are done with the video capturing, if you want to store your videos, that is the captured video or the video which you have changed, if you want to store it in a device, your hard disk, you need a video writer. It's also a class. It has its constructor, video writer constructor. If you want to store it in a file, then you have to mention the file int 4c, number of frames and the frame size, and to say whether it is a colored or grayscale. Here the 4cc stands for what sort of image you want to store. The attributes could be CV, 4cc, PI, M1, it stands for MPEG-1, or else it could be a MJPEG. So many other formats are available. You have to just click this. Next is a release video writer, which releases the video writer. It's kind of a destructor, and it's for a video writer open to initialize the video writer, and is open to check whether the video writer is opened or not. And next is write, to write the frames in the path that you have provided. So this is about documentation about videos, video capturing and video writing. Let me get back to the Visual Studio. So here is a video capture, the variable name known as camera with the ID as 0. So it checks how many cameras are there, and it assigns 0 as 0 ID to one camera, and that camera is associated with this particular variable. So once it is done, you need to check whether the camera is opened or not. If not opened, then you need to give an error message like camera did not load properly, and you will get return -1. to return from main function. Next you are declaring an mat frame. Mat frame keeps track of the frame that you capture from the video device. Name window is for creating a window named camera capture, and here is a while loop which runs infinite amount of time until unless you press escape. So camera, which is our video capture variable, here is an operator which is an input sort of operator. In the cout you can see it is pointing to left side, and in this here it's pointing to right side. It is output, it's the input. So you are taking a frame from the camera and storing it in a variable frame, and then you are checking whether the frame has variable the data in it or not. If there is if the frame is empty, then you are displaying some error message, and also you are displaying the frame width and frame height using the function get. And error message CR could not load frame, and next is continue. So if the frame is not empty, then you will display the frame in this particular window, camera capture window. And wait key, which waits for 30 milliseconds. If there is a key press, it will be stored in key, and if the key is 27, it means it is for escape. So if you press escape, the while loop breaks. So you can put any algorithms, video processing algorithms like face recognition, object recognition, and any sort of algorithms you can put in this particular while loop, and at the same time you can display the processor frame in the windows. And after the while loop, there is a wait key which waits for infinite amount of time. If you press any key, the program exits. So let us run this particular program. Control Alt F7 for building, and start debugging for F5. Yes, the video has been loaded. So you can see 640 cross 480 is its the frame size in the first frame, and the first frame could not load, so you are getting one error message. So let me stop this video, press escape to get rid of this stop debug. So in this we saw that the frame size was 640 cross 480. So I want to change the frame size. I need to do a set. Using set, I can change the frame width and frame height. Now I am changing the width to 320 and the height to 240. So let me rerun it again. Control Alt F7. So build succeeded. Let me run. So the image size is reduced, and in the frame size is 320 cross 240. So using set property and get property, we change the attributes of the video capture. So now I want to change the camera to video file, and I don't want to change the frame size. Let it be whatsoever the frame size of the video is. So let me display this particular video using video capture camera. Control Alt F7 and start debugging F5. So you could able to see some videos, right? So it works fine. So this is it in this video lecture, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.